guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cezanne. I am a 5th year 3rd grade teacher here in Georgia, and I'm in my classroom. Y'all, I haven't been able to watch the news. I really not been able to, but I haven't watched the news since March 13th. And here I am watching the news. So they did allow us to come to our classroom to clean up and to prepare for next school year. It seems like everybody's just gonna clean up and go home. I was gonna kind of get stuff a little whatever, but it don't seem like people are trying to be here long. I don't know if we can stay that long. I don't know. My plan is to take all of my bins that my students used and put them in bleach and let them soak. And then I'm also going to switch out my library bins, and I'm just gonna put them in the cabinet. I'm not taking anything home. No, I'm not. But I do want to clean out a lot of stuff and declutter a lot of stuff. I got a lot of crap in my closets. And I want to also organize my student work. So I'm going to get started so I don't lose any time. Hopefully I can check back in with you all. You all can see some things that I've been doing while I'm in here. Now, the only thing that I've noticed missing so far is my freshly new case of paper that I received like a month before we got out. And I'm so mad that I did not put that away. So that's the only thing I'm missing. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just get notebooks and all that stuff together for my students and start cleaning. All right, check with y'all later. Hey y'all, so checking back in. It's now like 9:40 and I've accomplished a lot. So the whole point of us being here is to clean up from last year and to prep, but it doesn't seem, well, first of all, it's not that many people here at all. Actually, it's like 5 of us here, and it seems like people are just cleaning. I think because nobody's expecting us to come back to school. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all what I've done so far. All right, so I have changed out my bins and I think I like them. They look a lot more uniform than these did. I hated those bins actually, y'all. And I hated them because they weren't colorful like I really wanted them to be. I either wanted it to be all black or colorful, and I just got those because that's all they had. So I think I do like these. And if we do come back, I am throwing all of those away because, as you can see, my students tore them up. I don't know how Pocketful of Primary was able to keep her students from ripping those off, but mine did. So I'm throwing all of those away, and then I'm gonna change that one out, that blue one out, for the Lakeshore bins. So yeah, all those will be put away. But yeah, so I've done that, and I've moved my guided reading library over here because I'm not going to be the reading teacher, so I moved it into these bins. These were the crates that my students' stuff was in, so I cleaned them out first, and then I moved them over here. And I put all my students' stuff out on the tables, and I have begun soaking bins. And these are the ones that are just gonna dry for right now. I have some more that needs to be soaked, so I'm gonna let them soak for a little while, take them out and dry. That's just the easiest way for me to clean them because I'm not taking any bins home at all. Also, I have filled up 2 of the big trash bags, and thank goodness I brought my own trash bags because I still have a lot of paper and crap to throw away. I am now working on my 2 big cabinets, cleaning those out, decluttering them, getting rid of a lot of stuff. I do need to take home some Anchor chart paper, so I don't need to forget that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I will check in with y'all later to tell y'all. I forgot to tell y'all, I did find my copy paper is still, y'all, I got this thing and I only use one ream of paper. So I'm about to put that in my cabinet and hide it because I can't lock my cabinets. So I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, so I want to show y'all. That's my calendar back there. It still says March. It's so sad. All right, so I am trying to get this off. I'm pretty sure everybody knows this hack by now, but for those of you who don't, I'm gonna show you. So this was written on a whiteboard. This was like my, as you can see, my testing set schedule. It was not coming off. Let's see, but I took a expo marker and I colored over it, and now it should come off easily. So if you have something that's been on there forever or permanent marker or whatever, it comes off just like that. All right, hey guys, so I am about to go. I'm leaving a lot sooner than I thought. It is almost 11:30. What I did do, I showed y'all, I haven't done anything extra but throw away a lot of papers. I filed old papers, and what I realized is it's gonna take me a lot longer than I want to file all of their papers. So I'm gonna wait till we come back and then I'm gonna file their papers. But yeah, so it smells like complete bleach in this room right now, so I think the air has been disinfected. Excuse me, but yeah, I'm gonna leave up all this other stuff because yeah, just don't see the need to take it down. I think I will take my math vocabulary cards because I am gonna set up like a backdrop at home for teaching virtually. And it's just gonna have like a space where I can put my objective and the vocabulary, and then I'm going to just a space for the objective, the vocabulary, and then, you know, that's it. That's all I'm gonna put up there because I was going to, oh, and an anchor chart. I was going to, okay y'all, so sorry. I thought I heard my principal, but it was the reading coach. So what I am taking with me is this big bag of like personal stuff that I left here, and one instructional book, or like, well, it's an instructional book, and then like I have 2 supplemental resources books. And then I'm taking this cart because I'm going to also set up a cart. I already have a cart at home, but that's my planner cart, and I didn't want to empty that out. And anyway, so I'm going to take this cart so it can be my teaching cart, and then when I come back, all I got to do is wheel it back in here. So yeah, so that is all. Like I said, I'm about to get up out of here. It's 11:30. I did a whole lot better. I thought I was going to be here all day long. So I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna go home, eat some lunch, and then we have a faculty meeting at 1:30. And then I'm gonna relax tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and go home, but because I don't think I can make the drive tonight. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then go home. First, I'm gonna show y'all what my room is looking like. I should have showed y'all it before, but I'm gonna show y'all what my room is looking like now that I'm done. I just want y'all to know this table was filled with stuff, and these 2 belong on my desk, and I probably should move them back on my desk, but I just want to leave, well, this one belongs on my desk, that belongs over there on top of that, but I don't want them to move anything else. I don't know if they're going to come back in here and move anything else, so I'm just going to leave that there. This area wasn't as bad. They had kind of put stuff back, you know, nice and neat. Neater than I probably left it. And then I didn't touch this area. These are my student stuff, my old student stuff. I am taking this home so I can finish my grammar task cards. And then my library. That's really the most thing that I changed. is my classroom library. And again, I think I'm gonna be so much more happy when I get those other bins to put in here, because this looks so janky, y'all. I absolutely hate this and the way it looks. But yeah, so that's all I worked on. And then my cabinets. But yeah. Hey guys, so I am back at home, and I don't know if I've checked in, y'all. I'm really tired. We just had a faculty meeting. It was not long. It was really like 30 minutes of content, then like 15, 20 minutes of question asking. I think it's just because everything is just so unclear. Nobody knows how to start this year off. So yeah. Right now I'm about to go to Old Navy to find some masks. I see that they, I know Maylene from Mrs. Calls Campers kind of put it out there that they have a bundle of masks for $12.50. So you get like 4 masks for $12, which is like $3 a mask, which is not bad because I have a African print mask that was like $10. And that's the only reason I'm going to Old Navy. And then I'm gonna come back, and I'm definitely about to take a nap. And then we did get our schedule, and I just looked at it, and so I'm gonna copy that schedule into my notebook, or maybe I'll just print it out and like flap it into my notebook, tip it into my notebook, because whenever we get the schedule, I always have to break it down further for myself. So like, for instance, on this it says from 8:15 to 9:45 we are doing our math lesson, so the live lesson, small group lesson closure. However, I need to put like 8:15 to 8:45 live lesson, 8:45 till 9 o'clock meet with this group, 9 o'clock to, like, I need to break it all the way down so that I stay on task. Otherwise this is why I need a nap, or I won't stay on task. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. So no, that's not. Oh my god, y'all, I need a nap so bad. So yes, so I'm going to print it out, tip it in until we get the official schedule, and then I will break down the schedule for myself so that I know, especially because like now I finally get my own specials time. Thank goodness I don't have to split classes anymore. I mean, we are meeting virtually, so why would I have to split classes? So I'm gonna write down my special schedule and everything, so I'm on point. Yeah, y'all, I need a nap. Oh my god, y'all. As you can see, I'm leaving Michael's. I had to return a box that I bought. I bought like one of those educator boxes for my, as my Y box. I'll explain what a Y box is a little later, maybe when I get home. But I returned it, and then I looked at the planner section for back to school, and I found the happy notes that I was looking for. I'm so excited. Let me get in the car. Okay, y'all, let me turn the air down just a little bit. I can't sit in here without the air on, sorry. So, was it yesterday, or I think it was yesterday, I did go to Michael's again, and I went in there to look at the planner stuff and all this and all those things. I found some check boxes, the papers, like the inserts to put in. I was looking for those, and I'm so happy I found them. I only got them for $4. They were half off, I want to say, half off, and then my teacher discount took it down even more. So, and then I also bought like a box. And so I don't know if you all remember, but at the beginning of the summer, they put out all these really cute teacher boxes, like teacher organizational things, and they were like paper boxes. And I wasn't ready to spend money on my classroom or on teaching period in June, so I didn't buy them. And so then I saw that they were on sale. I think they were 75% off yesterday, and I went ahead and bought one. But then I was thinking when I bought it, I already got a box. Like, I have a box that I bought 2 or 3 years ago. I think it was it's 3 years now. 3 years ago from Michael's, and it was only $2. Now that one that I bought yesterday was $6, but it was decorated like teachery. The one that I have is like black and white polka dots, so it's still okay, and I can use it for other reasons. So a Y box. A Y box is a box that you put student notes, pictures that they draw you, all those things to remind yourself why you're doing the work that you're doing. And I like to collect all of my student drawings, and this year I got a lot of cards, a lot of drawings. Like, that's why I say I love my classroom this year, y'all. I love them so much. Even though they stressed me out all year long, I love them. They were some real sweethearts. And so, like, the things that they gave me, like, hey, Miss Pope, I made you this or whatever, I put all of those things in a box to kind of remind me. Like, normally I only look through it when I'm cleaning out stuff, and I'm like, oh yeah. So I have one at home as well, because I have things from like student teaching and my first year and teaching over the summer. I had, when I taught over the summer, I have tons of thank you cards from those kids, so, or those children. So but yeah, so I have a Y box in my classroom. I have a Y box at home, and I also keep birthday cards. So, you know, it's like that's a pick-me-up box. But anyway, I returned the Y box, or the box I was buying for my Y box, because I already have a Y box. And I found the Happy Notes. Sorry, I'm chewing gum. I know that may be so unprofessional, but I'm sorry. So, I found the Happy Notes that I've been looking for. The one that I showed you all, that is my notebook, that wasn't the one I was looking for. And the only reason I bought it was because I was like, okay, well, if I'm teaching reading, if I have to be self-contained, then this will work. But I'm not self-contained. So, yeah. The only downfall from this Happy Note is that it's pink. And y'all know I hate pink, even though I have on a pink shirt. This shirt is cute, though. And that planner, the Happy Note is cute as well, so I'm excited. So when I get home, I'm going to change out the covers, and then I can add all that extra paper that I have to this one, and it'll just be one big notebook. So we're going, and I'm going to change out some of those dividers as well, because I don't like all of the dividers, and these are more school related. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to go get some gas, and then I'm gonna go back home. I have marked off everything. Oh, I did go to Old Navy, and I got the mask that I was looking for. Trying to get it out the bag. Okay, these were the masks that I was looking for, and if you look up there, it is 2 cheetah print ones, a gray one, a kind of like taupe or tan one, and then the last one is like a leopard print, because it's just like dots, it's just like black dots. But I got these, and I know she also made like these clean masks, dirty masks, like things out of boxes to keep myself from buying more things. I have some old like pouches, some old like makeup pouches. I'm gonna use those. And I don't know how I'm gonna decipher which one is clean, which one is dirty, but because I also saw in Old Navy they had these really cute makeup pouches, and I don't know what it is about me and makeup pouches, but I buy them all the time. They were actually on clearance, and they were like $6, but I wasn't gonna buy 2 of them because that makes no sense. All right, I'm rambling now. I'm about to get some gas, and I'm gonna go home.